Windows 11 restore points. In this video I will explain Windows 11 restore points, what they are, what they do and how to use them. System restore is the closest thing that Windows 11 or Windows 10 has to an undo button. So before you start changing things like your settings, you're updating your drivers, it's advised to create a restore point. Think of it as a fallback checkpoint. So if something goes wrong, you can roll back your PC to a previous working state. But there is an important thing you should know. A restore point can roll back changes to your Windows system files, your Windows registry, system settings, installed apps and drivers. But it does not back up your personal files like your documents, your photos, your videos, your other files you created. So this is not a backup. It's a safety net for your system changes. And another thing, after a big Windows update like a version upgrade or a feature update, your existing restore points can disappear. That's important to remember, so after a version or a feature update, create a new restore point. First thing you should do. So let me show you how to set this up. I'm in my Windows 11 virtual machine and I want to press start and type Kriya, and you should get this, create a restore point. After you start it up, you will notice it's off. Click configure and I usually turn it on. That's a good start, right? Select 15% and apply. Press OK. And now I can create a restore point. So let's do that. Give it a name. Name restore 1. Date 22nd January, create, and it will start to create a restore point. Restore point has been created successfully. So now the next step, you can restore the restore point. Comes up with a new box. And over here you have a restore point. Scan for the affected files and programs. And because I haven't updated anything or changed anything, it says not detected. Usually it says what it has affected, like programs, drivers, etc. And one extra thing I want to mention is that if you have multiple restore points, it will give multiple restore points with a date and time and your description. But let's restore this one. Again, here you can check what it affects. It will start restoring your restore point and it will reboot. This is a virtual machine, but I will show you what it looks like. And after you log in, you get this message. The system has been restored. Your documents have not been affected. And that's it. And that's how you restore your system with your restore points. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more Windows 11 fixes and tutorials. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had a restore point save your day? It did me the other day, so I thought I might as well do a video about it. So any other questions, suggestions? Comment section. Have a nice day. Bye bye.